CCTV
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na gabenda ka NEET.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ki Sangma ha ke Sautrik ujeliu arja punrio. Ulai tu ba ula IT ya ke Dorkhas ha menteri ke Tenat Kampo yang ke ri Amit Shah. Kabadan Sautli kimat Jingdawa ya ke Sorkar Pedeng ban Pynkynmaw ya ke Jingdawa ya ke inner-line permit bala menjor da ke yeng dorbar tauan ke Jela. Kenang ban Khanglat ya ke Jingrung Kertep ki Menderi sya ke Jela. Hau kurwa bala pa sya ki lat patai kubor menteri Rangba ulai tu ba kamat jing Pynkynmaw ka long halor ka Jingdawa ban penrung ya ka ketin khasi bat garu ha ka kernit bapra jong ka riti senchar ka ri India bat kumjuru ha ka beidei bat ka jing penbet thamai ya ka kernit ban ri jong ka riti senchar ka ri India ulai thuru ba ka weipat ka Jingdawa ya ka sorkar ka long halor ka jingwanra ya ka jing penbet thamai ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act ya ka ba ki kinhun kerstan ba pher ki lapan pau ya ka jingso khya halor ka nikamat.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the North-East Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration, and we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you very much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.